This hour we are going to have a kind of discussion about what is going on. You know, people from the other camp, they insist on lying to people, telling our brothers and sisters, telling everybody that Biafran Liberation Army is they are kidnapping people, they are doing this, they are committing this, they are committing that, just to get back at Biafran government in exile. But Biafran Liberation Army, we all know the activities, we all know how they carry their work, we know what they represent, we know what they stand on, we know what they believe on. But these people are doing everything to make sure that they bring the effort of Biafrans down. But God passed them. So we are going to look at some of the posts that they made just to blackmail. But before then, let me share with us this very, very important message. I said, look, even that monotheism that you're talking about is best into for you. Then the Nigerians realized, okay, these people are very, very potential. They know we will not, if not let them go. Remember, they wanted to go before. Zeke was the one using British people to unify everything. And because of the interest of British, they said, okay, yes, let's just unify them. And stupid Zeke, he allowed Britain to smart him, because the agenda of Zeke is just to bring everything together. Then the agenda of Britain is to, okay, since you are bringing everything together and you have what we want actually, okay, let's use these Fulani people to take that away from you. That's how they restructure Nigeria. Zeke was busy charting one Nigerian, best into for northern and best into, whereas British people were busy, laying their strategy on how to. Yes, you think you are wearing these clothes, but I am the one holding the button. Anytime, or the zip, anytime I want, I can zip it out or I can zip it in. You know what I mean? What I'm trying to say. That is why Zeke couldn't even have any say in the so-called country that he wanted to, that he was one championing. Then Britain now hand over the key of the country to Fulani that will play the bit, what they want. Well, Fulani people were they want to be on their own. How Northerners want to be on their own. West want to be on their own. Zeke was one preaching that they want to unify in the whole country. They want to. That was, I learned it from broadcasts of Yoruba people. Even this guy they call Adenka grandson was also busy saying the same thing. They called you land grabber, but there's no proof of that. Then somebody like Kenneth who don't even have any company, no business whatsoever. If you know his business, please let me know. Does Kenneth own any shop in Lagos? I don't think so. Does he have any shop in Abuja? I don't think so. Does he have any business going on in? So his business is politics, acting movie, politics, acting movie. That's all. Now he's the one telling you that he prefers not to be in a country that is smaller entity than a bigger one. Now you forgot that in this big entity you are talking about can also lead you to doom, to slavery. So in other words, you prefer to be a slave in a very big palace than to be a free man in your own 3-bedroom flat. You prefer to be a slave in a very big palace than to be a freeborn in 3-bedroom flat controlled and owned by you. What are we talking about? These people don't understand the danger of this so-called one Nigerian and all this garbage they're talking about. Even Nigerians in this platform were shocked. Some of them were kind of, really, is this coming out from this man? Take that one aside. He made mention of, look at that Nigerian is the hope of Black African people. If Nigerian today is the hope of Africa, Black race, that means Black people don't have any hope. We are hopeless. Because even Nigeria themselves don't even have hope on their own. Is okonkwo, does he have any hope what is going on in Nigeria today? Can he beat his chest and say, yes, I have hope on what is going on? I don't think so. Guys, just excuse me, please. Excuse me. Just excuse me. Let me attend something. I will be right back. Sorry about that. I have to attend to an important call. So sorry about that. So when you see them talking about, okay, we are Nigerian, we want to make it work and all that nonsense, you ask them, so what is it that you want to bring to the table to make it work? Nothing. But he's here telling you that this is a hope of black people, the hope of black man.